Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center.
Look at this guy. He's sleeping out of his car. Got his robe on and everything. Jeez. You see what I mean? Everyone is homeless in New York City. So stop denying it. So this is what happens when you drive recklessly. Okay, so just take black. It doesn't really matter what market it is, right? So I'm going to take one of these filters. I'm going to take a blue marker, right? Private clubs. And boom, Maven was right. To finish it off, bam, there you go. Enjoy it, everybody, enjoy. He's homeless, just gonna sit there. This is our New York City, everyone. Our senior citizens are now being affected. This is our city, treating this man like he doesn't matter when he does matter. I noticed cyclists cycling down are being blocked by these taxi drivers. Come on, bro. All right, I got the Maven mini light, but let's talk about this real quick. I know I just talked about the version 2 extra strength, but I have to say, this acts like a threadless and a thread. This is a 2-in-1 adapter. Let me show you. So if I was to thread this onto my iPhone and use the back of this ring light, that's one way with the thread, right? The second option is to just throw this onto the front like a threadless. Therefore, this version 2 is a 2-in-1. It's a threadless and a thread step-up ring. Yeah, you see that woman right there? Walking with the blue pants, the purse. Well, she just tried to scam me. Mike, I should have recorded that. She was asking me to borrow my phone so she could call someone. No, I know exactly what you're going to do. You fucking crook. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna demo how bright this Maven mini light gets. Right now, it's at minimum. As you can see, it's nighttime. Well, it's blue hour, but it's nighttime. And you can see that minimum, it's bright. Super bright at that minimum. But now, at the brightest, it is super bright. For a ring light, that's super bright. That is very bright. So with that said, everyone, anyone that has doubt about the Maven mini light being bright enough, well, there you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be donating some food to the Pulaski refrigerator. So got some food for some people that are hungry because everyone else is barbecuing today. So I brought a little treat for those that are not having a barbecue. Dude, are you serious right now? This stupid driver decided to park her car in the walking spot. What a dick. Yo, what's wrong with fucking people, bro? What is wrong with these fucking drivers in New York City? No respect for the handicap accessibility act, do you? You don't have no respect. Alright, so we're going to be shooting at 5 seconds, f8, ISO 200. And I'm using the dark CPL. I'm using a 10-stop dark CPL from Maven Filters. So I'm waiting for a train to come by so I can get that long trail streak. See? Another accident. I'm telling you. Another accident. These drivers, hit and run. A hit and run situation. He's bleeding. New York City, you need to crack down on these other fucking e-bikes. I'm sorry for my language, but it needs to stop now. This needs to stop. Alright guys, we're going to be dropping this off at the community refrigerators. So I don't know what's in here, but there's a bunch of pastries. So I'm going to be dropping this at the One Love community refrigerator on McGinson. So, as a city journalist, this is disgusting. How these taxis are blocking the bike lane. So, I'm going to keep reporting it to the city that they should not block the bike lane. I just witnessed 3 cyclists have to go into traffic, almost get hit by incoming cars because the bike lanes are being blocked. So, take it with a grain of salt. As you can see, me walking, trying to navigate through the bike lane. This is the bike lane. You can see it's being blocked by all these fucking taxis. And you wonder why that guy got hit by a fucking taxi the other day. Because of these taxis. You're blocking the safety of riders, cyclists, scooters, e-bikes, rollerblades, skateboards. You're blocking safety. Just to give you some clarity, there's a parks employee cleaning outside the park, but not inside the park. They never clean inside the park. They're always going to clean outside the park. Just to give you context, I already cleaned the park. So if they claim that they clean this park all the time, that's a lie, New York City parks. I got video evidence of every single skate park I come to in the morning. I clean it. They do. Your staff does not clean these skate parks. What is she sweeping? It's clean over there already. So as I said, everyone, they don't come inside. They don't clean the parks. I would like my broom back. If you did come in here and take a broom, that was my factory broom. You had no business taking that. She's over there. The other employee's over there. She's not sweeping anything. I cleaned this area. So what is she cleaning? What is she cleaning? I cleaned all of this area. So One Love, what's going on with this community refrigerator? It's been off for the last few days. It seems like I guess they moving out. Seems like they are retiring or something. They've been closed for a few days. I'm not sure what's going on, but there's no power. So, all right. I'm the Panda Photographer, and I just found someone's keys at the Bushwick Inlet Park, where the geese are hanging out. Hello. But anyway, guys, I found someone's keys. So, oh my God, Greenpoint, let's try to help give these keys back to someone. So the keys are right behind the sign that says no swimming. So when the person walks in, so if anyone does respond, or if you upload that to your Instagram and someone does respond, I can show them this video where their keys are. Another taxi, another day. They keep doing it. Why block the bike lane, friend? So here's the asshole parked on the corner. Once again, no standing. He's definitely getting a ticket. This is the jackass. Yeah. Fucking. Yeah, welcome to Long Island City, everybody. I want you guys to see for yourselves that New York City parks don't clean the parks all the time. You can clearly see it's too dirty. People leave their grills. Look at all the trash. Yeah. Yep. Welcome to McLaren Park. Bro, are you serious right now? Who parks their car like that? Are you serious? Oh man, I hope you get a ticket. This is insane. Really? You thought you were entitled? Damn. Can I be honest about these skates without anyone criticizing me? Listen, I think they look cool. I think they look different. But I don't like the comfort. I don't like how this is supposed to be an 8.5. My other skates are 8.5. These kind of crush my toes. I don't like that feeling. I don't like how this, mind you, I changed the strap because the strap was not giving me that tightness that I was looking for. So I converted it to a buckle system. So sorry if I destroyed the skate, which I did not. I just modified it because it didn't give me enough and every time I did skate, the strap would come off and this would get loose. So, and another part is my heel. It just feels like my heel is being crushed a little bit. And there's a lot of pressure underneath the middle of my foot. So it's not like I don't like these skates, right? It's just, I think either they're just too small for me or it's just not the right skate. But I still gave them a try. I still tried to skate with them. They're not bad. My toe is the most important because, it's just crushing my toe. And these are 8.5. And my other skates are 8.5. So I really do like these skates. And people out here kind of like my skates. They're like, "Yo, Panda, what skates are those?" I'm like, "Oh, you like these? You know, got that little pink and orange thing going on with the little blue. You know, I had to spice it up a little, something, like make it look good." But here's the thing. I like my other skates better. I don't like how these crush my foot, my toes. It hurts my heel a little bit. And it gets a little bit uncomfortable on the sides after a while. And, So I give these a 3. I give these a 3 out of 5, to be honest with you. But from time to time, I might have some girlfriend of mine wear these skates or a friend wear these skates. But, not my cup of tea. They're good skates. They look nice. I'm always the star of the show in Long Island City. You feel me? But, I don't know. Maybe if one of my friends come over, I say, "Yo, I got a pair of skates. Just roll." They can't say no. So with that said, everyone, I think Chris Edwards has got something going on, but just not my style. With that said, everyone, thanks for watching. See ya.